Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. If you are anybody who uses writing at all and you're looking for an AI writer, the best on the market, this video is for you. If you are doing anything like blog post creation, if you are looking to write content for your business, for newsletter, copywriting, if you're doing affiliate marketing, Pinterest affiliate marketing, and you need content for a website, this video is going to be extremely helpful for you because in this video, I'm going to be discussing what I believe, and I have found many, but what I believe to be the best AI writer on the market. Now, I've discussed this specific platform many times. For this video, I want to do a complete 2025 walkthrough of this tool, all of the new features that they have to offer. So without further ado, let's hop right in. Now, the name of the platform is called SEOwriting.ai. It's right here on the screen, but I'll also have it placed in the description box down below. Once you're on SEOwriting.ai, in order to sign up, all you have to do is select Get Started. It is free. You can create up to 5 articles for absolutely free. No credit card is required, so you can get on the platform and see what they have to offer before you ever even have to pay a penny. Now, when I use this tool, I typically use the one-click blog post. However, they do have the bulk article generation. I'm going to go over that. And then they also have the Humanizer tool that you can input material into, and it's going to enhance that humanization and readability of the text that you put into it. So let's go ahead and dive in first to the one-click blog post and take a look around. As you're going to see, the very first thing you are going to need to input is a main keyword. So what is the main thing that your blog article is going to be about? For me, I put in how to become more financially aware in 2025. Let's see what kind of blog this creates just off of those keywords. So I'm going to go over here and select generate a title. Typically takes 1 or 2 seconds. And then as you can see, it gives you an SEO optimized title immediately right here. Let's go ahead and scroll down here to the core settings. The first things first is you're going to choose your language. You are also going to be able to choose your tone of voice. They have things like professional, friendly, transactional, inspirational. So whatever you are looking to write for. So let's say you're looking to write for your business website. You may want to put professional. If you do a blog and you're looking to help write a blog post for your blog, you may want to put friendly. That's going to really depend on what it is that you are writing for. For me, I'm going to choose informational, and then point of view. Do you want to do first person plural, second person? I'm going to do first person plural. And who is your target country? That is who you're going to put here. They've also added the article type. So what type of article are you writing? A how-to guide, a listicle, product review, news, comparison. This specific one is a how-to guide, so I'm just going to select that. And the article size I am going to leave on medium. However, they also go up all the way to large here, but I'm just going to select medium. Next, they give you the option to choose your AI model. If you're not super tech savvy, you may just want to select the default one. However, if you know something about this, you can go through and select the one that you want here. Next is the text readability. So that's going to enhance the readability of the blog or article that you are creating. So it does give a recommended 8th and 9th grade, which is very easily understood. If you want a little bit more of an advanced level of writing, you may want to go with a little bit higher. It just depends on what it is you're looking for and who it is you're writing for. Now, AI content cleaning is specifically used to help clean up those common AI words that are used and to just kind of help enhance the humanization of the article, right? So it's not so AI. I'm going to choose the basic AI words removal, and the brand voice here is really huge. Let's say you're a content creator or even like a business, or if you have a blog, you're writing for a blog and you really have a voice or a brand voice that you like to portray in your writing work. This is where you can input it, and the AI is going to pick up on the specifics of your brand and the information that you give it so that it's really tailored to you and what it is that you sound like, or what it is the message that you're trying to portray. The details to include section is going to be things, for example, like business information. So let's say you're writing an article for your business and you want to include, hey, book an appointment at such and such, or give us a call to book an appointment at da 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 da. You want to input your information here in this section and the details to include, and what it's going to do is include that information throughout the article so that it's really customized to your business. You could also use this for social media. So in this section, you could input information like follow me on YouTube at. So that's exactly what I'm going to do for my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I just put follow me on YouTube at Financially Powerful. Now under Media Hub, under AI images, this is going to input AI images that are relevant to the article. All you have to do is select yes or no. The number of images, I'm going to select 5. Also gives you the ability to choose the image style and the image size. I'm going to just leave it as it is, the 16:9. Now, additional instructions here. If you have specific instructions for the AI image generator, you can place that here. And then also you can enter in a brand name. This will also include YouTube videos into your article that are relevant to the article that it's creating. So YouTube videos, I'm going to select yes, and I'm going to add in 3. And then I'm just going to leave it as alternate image and video. The SEO is for keywords within your article that's going to boost your article with things like Google ranking. That is already built into this. This is one of the most amazing features that they have. All you have to do is select the NLP keywords generation here. As you can see, it went ahead and input those SEO optimized keywords for you. You don't have to do that. It did it for you automatically. Now the next section is called structure. You can add an introductory hook brief. So you can add a question that's going to really hook the reader, or a statistical fact, personal or emotional. I'm going to add in the statistical or fact. And then these little sections here are things like, do you want to add a conclusion? Do you want to add tables? Do you want to add lists, key takeaways, quotes? All of this stuff is optional. I'm just going to leave it on yes for all of them so that you guys can see the capability of this tool. The internal linking is meant to really boost your website's SEO. What the feature does is it indexes your website and then it identifies the most relevant pages and automatically inserts links within your new article. It also gives the ability for external linking, and then connect to web is an amazing feature, which I believe you need. It's going to give you the most accurate and up-to-date information. So it's going to search the deep web. It's going to give you all of the most accurate information that it can find. The next feature called the syndication is absolutely amazing. What this is going to do is help you to create marketing material based on the article for various platforms. So for example, a Twitter post, LinkedIn post, Facebook post, email newsletter, which I have discussed how you can use this for newsletter writing, WhatsApp message, Pinterest pin. So you can go through and add the syndication feature. It's going to give you the option to add in a little marketing post for your social media. So to give you an example, I'm going to select yes for email newsletter. The outline editor, if you select enable the outline editor, the magic bag button here, that's going to generate a real-time outline based on the top ranking articles on search engines for your topic. So if you have the connect to web enabled, that's really going to make it competitive with those top ranking articles. And again, this is all being done with the tool. You are not having to go in and do any searches, any manual, anything. It's going to do it for you. Now, next under document, you can choose to publish to a website. If you have a WordPress blog or a WordPress website, you can have this automatically post onto your website if you'd like, and that is what this is for. And then once you're all done with all of those steps, all you have to do is go back up here to the top and select run. Depending on how optimized or how extensive you want your blog post to be and the different things that you selected is really going to depend on the time that it takes to create it. Give it just a few minutes to let the AI do its thing, and then here is that article. Here's a look at that completed article. If you want to change anything, let's say for example you don't like a picture that it generated, all you need to do is go down to the bottom right corner, select this little button here. It's going to regenerate the image. Okay, if you don't like a YouTube video that it input, you can take it out. You can actually go in here, select edit, read through it, and add in your own text as well. You can add in a little bit at the beginning. You can add in throughout of little things here and there that you feel would add more of a personal touch to it. So you can actually go in and edit it after it's been completed to your liking. Now, also I want to point out up here at the top, if you select the syndication feature, you can go down here for that email newsletter that I selected earlier. You can see it has the subject line. It's got the entire email right here. Everything that you need to add, you just have to go in and edit, your name, your company, and to who it's from, and it's got that here for you, which is Absolutely amazing that it has that feature. Now let's go ahead and go back to the dashboard. I want to show you that bulk article generator and how you can use that as well. If you're really looking to save time on the future and you know you need to create a certain amount of articles or blog posts, you can use that bulk article generation to help you save time in the future. So all you need to do is go ahead, just click into that. All of the things that you need to go through are basically the same, but what I really want to show you is up here at the top. What you'll need to do is add in a main keyword. It's going to generate your title, your keywords, and then also the outline. You have the ability to enter in an outline to include in the text as well. So let's say that you're writing about finances like I just did, just to give you an example. I input the main keyword as finances. I'm going to select generate. It automatically generated 11 main keywords for blog post or article creation ideas. Now I'm just going to go ahead and select generate on the title. As you can see, all of the titles it automatically generated for you. You don't even have to do that. Then you can go ahead and continue with the keywords. So generate NLP and then also the outline. It is going through and automatically doing all of this for you with one click on each thing. Now, after you've done that, if you want to add more than just 11, all you have to do is go down here and select add row, add row, add row, as many as you want to generate at once, that which will save you time. Let's say you need to post throughout the month and you want to go ahead and have those ready. You can do that sitting down all at once. After that, what you're going to do is go through the bottom exactly like how you went through the one-click blog post, just kind of customizing that exactly to how you want it. Then just go back up to the top, select run, and that's going to have all of those generated for you, ready to use for whenever you need it. Lastly, I want to point out the Humanizer tool. Now, the Humanizer tool is going to allow you to enter an article that you want to make it unique and more human. You get to choose the readability of the article, the language, and then the ability to remove AI words within that article. Then after you've input that information, just go down here to the bottom, select Humanize, and it's going to run it for you. So this tool is amazing for many things: SEO optimization, humanizing your text, creating blog posts within 5 minutes, using that bulk article generator to create many. I mean, as you can see, this is top notch, top of the line article generation. I also want to point out that this tool is a plugin on WordPress. So if you utilize WordPress, this tool acts as a plugin on that platform, and you can automatically upload your blog post directly from SEO writing into WordPress. So the plugin makes it really amazing, seamless integration. Now here at the end of the video, I kind of also want to just briefly go over their subscription plans, what they offer and how much they are. So if you want to be billed monthly, you can, like I stated, get started for absolutely free. $0. They have the middle plan, which is $19 a month, and then the professional plan, which is $79 a month. If you want to be billed yearly, you're going to save 25%. Also, I have a coupon code that's going to give you that additional 25% off. If after watching this video you have any questions, please feel free to drop it in the comments down below. I personally use this tool and I have been for over a year, so I should be able to answer any questions that you all find you may have. As always, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for your support, and I do look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye-bye.